Okay, so to solve this issue, all you have to do, go to the search, type services. So once you are in this dashboard, all you have to do is to search for Windows Update. So make sure to select any one you want and then click W on the keyboard. From here, you want to scroll down until you find Windows Update. Right click, click Properties. After that, go to the startup type, switch it from manual to automatic. After that, click Start, click Apply and then click OK. Make sure to select Restart the service. And now your problem should be fixed. Okay, so for the second method, go to the quick search, type troubleshoot. After that, go to other troubleshooters. In the most frequent section, go to Windows Update, click Run. The system should detect your problem and solve it without any issue. Okay, so for the third method, you want to go to the quick search, type cmd, then click Run as an administrator. After that, type sfc /scan now. Type OK. After that, you want to type this command, DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. Press enter. After that, close the CMD and make sure to restart your computer and your problem should be fixed.